Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we are making a garlic parmesan crispy chicken salad for dinner. Sounds amazing. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to get started on this garlic parmesan crispy chicken salad, but first we got to get the chicken going. So we're going to start with the breading for it. So we've got some panko breadcrumbs, some Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to mix in some garlic powder. And then some paprika. And I've already got my oven turned on, 425, because we are going to put these in the oven and cook them. So then I've got some paprika. And then, of course, the regular salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. All right, so we're going to get this all mixed up. And then we'll be heading to our next step. All right, so I've got my 2 chicken breasts here. I've already seasoned them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to go ahead and start getting them all dunked up and ready. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? All right, here we go. All right, so into the flour mix, we're going to go first. And then over into our egg. That all nice and coated up because we want all the panko breadcrumbs to adhere to all of this. This recipe intrigued me because I love a good salad, especially on a nice warm day, because it's super easy to make. And this just seemed like it would be a pretty filling salad. So I figured we're going to experiment in the kitchen today. All right, let me make sure that's all covered down there. All right, so we're going to throw these on to the cookie sheet. These chicken breasts are all coated up and ready to go. Our very last step is we're going to drizzle some olive oil along the top. And that's just going to kind of help crisp it up. Now mine, I'm just going to do regular, but somebody in my house likes the little bit of spice, and I happen to have this yummy jalapeno. Look at that. Yes, I said jalapeno olive oil. So we're going to drizzle a little bit of this on that so that he can have his a little bit spicy. Although I have learned a little of this goes very, very long way. So, all right, time to put these puppies in the oven. Chicken breasts are going to go in the oven, 425. They're going to go in for hopefully about 25 minutes. So we'll check on them in a bit and see how they're doing. Chicken breasts have been in the oven for about 30 minutes, so we're going to pull them out because they are looking absolutely amazing. Look at that. Yummy, yummy garlic parmesan chicken. All right, so we're going to let this cool, and then we're going to get started on the dressing. While the chicken is cooling, we're going to make the dressing for this creamy parmesan crispy chicken salad. I've already got my sour cream in here, and we're going to put in some buttermilk, which I made my own because I never have buttermilk on hand. We're going to throw in some Parmesan cheese. We've got some apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, garlic. I have to stop and think what I'm putting in here. I don't know what I'm putting in here. I'm just throwing stuff in here. That's what I do. All right, so we're just going to get this all mixed up. All right, so our crispy chicken is already cooled. I've got it sliced up and ready to go on this salad, but let's finish the salad aspect of it, okay? We're gonna add some red onion because you know me and color. We like to have a little bit of color because we wanna make it pretty. And then we've got some grape tomatoes. I'm also gonna throw those in there. And then we're going to drizzle some of this dressing on it. Not all of it just yet, because we want to reserve some of it for when we have the chicken. All right, so we're going to get this all mixed up. Gosh, doesn't this look good? Yummy. All right, so now mixed up. I'm going to grab me a plate. Time to place it. Throw the chicken on top, because I'm ready to eat. Our garlic parmesan crispy chicken salad is ready to go. Doesn't it look amazing? It looks so good. Oh my goodness. And this chicken's to die for. I've already been trying it. It's really, really good. Yummy. So there you go. Look at that. we had another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.